What did you do today that actually made your life better? Not busy work, not scrolling. Because if you're honest, most days slip by without intention. You wake up with plans and go to bed with excuses. So let me ask you something deeper. If nothing changes, where will you be 1 year from now? The lie you keep telling yourself. I'll start tomorrow. How many times have you said that? Tomorrow becomes next week becomes next month. The truth is, you're not waiting for time, you're waiting for motivation. If you only act when you feel like it, you'll never become consistent. So stop waiting. Start small. Start now. Why small wins are your secret weapon. You don't need to change your whole life overnight. That's where most people fail. They aim too big, too fast. Instead, focus on 1% better. Just a little improvement every day. Read a few pages. Learn one concept. Small wins build confidence. Confidence builds momentum. The compound effect no one talks about. 1% doesn't look like much. One good habit leads to another. One improvement creates new opportunities. And suddenly, you're not the same person anymore. Results are invisible at first. That's why people quit too early. Stay consistent. Even when you don't see progress, trust the process. Your future is built today. Right now, you have a choice. Stay the same or take one small step forward. Start now. Before this day ends, choose one action, just one, and complete it.